Hello students, this is video number 5 of differentiation. Today we will discuss implicit functions. Today we shall learn how to solve the problems of the derivatives, or you can say the differentiation in the case of implicit functions. Before proceeding, we have to know the meaning of implicit function. See here, if x and y are connected by an expression of the form f of x comma y equal to 0, then we say that y is defined implicitly in the terms of x. Y is called implicit function of x. However, no need to learn this statement. You have to know how to detect that the given differential problem is related to the implicit function. So, to understand the problems which are related to the implicit functions, we take some examples. See example number first. X square plus 2xy plus y cube is equal to 42. This is the first problem. Now take second problem also here. X cube plus y cube is equal to 3axy. My dear students, in both the problems we have to find out the derivative. Both these problems are related to the implicit function. How can we say that these problems are related to the implicit function? Here you can see, I have already told you that f of x comma y equal to 0. In such type of problems, equal sign is given. Okay? To solve such type of problems, we have to differentiate both sides with respect to x. Okay, see, we have to write here differentiating both sides with respect to x. Since plus sign is given, therefore the question is divided into the parts. Differentiate each part separately. Now see, differential of x square 2x plus 2. Okay, now see, differentiation of xy. First function, differential of the second function plus second function into differential of x is what? 1 plus y raised to the power 3, y raised to the power 2. Now the differential of y, dy over dx. The differential of constant is 0. Now see, we can write it as 2x and here 3y square. Common is what? Dy over dx. Okay. Plus 2x plus 2y is equal to 0. See, this is what? 2x plus 3y square dy over dx is equal to what? Negative 2x, negative 2y, which can be written as, taking common negative 2, we can write it as x plus y. Then what is the value of dy over dx? Because finally we have to find out the value of dy over dx is what? Negative 2 times of x plus y upon 2x plus 3y square. This is the required answer of problem number first. Now dear students, see problem number second. This is also related to implicit function. Here you can also see equal sign is given. In such type of problems, I have already told you differentiating both sides with respect to x. Okay, so see here plus sign is given, means differentiate x cube separately and y cube separately. Differential of x cube is what? 3x square. Differential of y cube 3y square. Then dy over dx by applying chain rule. See here, 3a is constant. Now xy. Differentiating xy by using product rule. First function, differential of the second function plus second function, differential of x is 1. Now separate dy over dx. Okay, 3y square minus 3ax dy over dx equal to what? 3ay minus 3x square. So we can write it as dy over dx. Finally we have to find out the value of dy over dx. Taking common 3 from the numerator, ay minus x square, and here 3y square minus 3ax is given. We can write it as taking common 3, y square minus ax. Cancel. This is the required answer. Okay, let us take another example. My dear students, question number 3 is very important. This question was asked in ISC exams in 2007. Here sin y is given, which is equal to x times of sin of a plus y. Okay. Here you have to prove that dy over dx is equal to sin square of a plus y upon sin a. This is most important question. Okay, see here. एक इंपॉर्टेंट बात मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूं, 99% प्रॉब्लम्स में वो आपको हेल्प करेगा. जैसे साइन स्क्वायर आपको चाहिए और स्क्वायर आता है कोशेंट रूल में. इसका मतलब इट मींस कोशेंट रूल कहीं ना कहीं इस क्वेश्चन में अप्लाई होगा. स्क्वायर की फॉर्म आएगी तभी. तो देखिए सॉल्यूशन. दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम related to the implicit function. You can see equal sign is given. Sin y is equal to x times of sin of a plus y. Then what is the value of x? We can write it as sin y upon sin of a plus y. जिन प्रॉब्लम्स में आपको प्रूविंग करनी होती है वहां थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस की ज्यादा जरूरत है. Such type of problems need much more practice. Okay. Now my dear students, see numerator upon denominator. We can apply the quotient rule here. Here differentiating both sides with respect to y. What I am saying, listen carefully. Differentiating both sides with respect to y. Dx over dy. Okay. Now see denominator. Into differentiation of the numerator cos y, as we are differentiating both sides with respect to y, that's why the differential of sin y is cos y and the differential of y is 1, because we are doing the differentiation with respect to y. Denominator differentiation of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator, which is cos of a plus y, upon square of the denominator, square of the denominator. Now see, dx over dy is equal to what? You can see sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. This is the formula of sin of A minus B upon sin square of A plus y, which is equal to what? You can see y and y cancel each other. We obtain sin upon sin square of a plus y. Now see, this is the value of what? This is the value of dx over dy. But my dear students, we have to find out the value of dy over dx. Now what is dy over dx? Reciprocal. Find the reciprocal. Sin square of a plus y upon sin A. This question is very important, my dear students, for the examination point of view. Now, to explain more, take one more example. Let us take y plus sin y plus sin y is equal to cos x. Find dy over dx. Here we don't need to prove anything. यहाँ में किसी चीज को प्रूव नहीं करना है, तो सिंपली आप डिफरेंशिएट कीजिए. बट जब भी आपको प्रूविंग के लिए कोई प्रॉब्लम दी जाए, तो such type of problems need much more practice. Now see, this is the problem of the implicit function differentiating both sides with respect to x. Differential of y is dy over dx. Sin y, first cos y, then differential of y dy over dx. The differential of cos x is minus sin x. Taking common dy over dx, 1 plus cos y, this is equal to negative sin x. What is the value of dy over dx? Dy over dx is equal to negative sin x divided by 1 plus cos y. This is the required answer. Now dear students, I hope that you understood the meaning of the implicit function and you understood how to solve such type of problems. If you have any problem, then you can ask on my personal number and try to solve the exercise which is given on implicit functions. Thank you very much.